It's about a 2-minute drive to the square from here. It's actually walkable. A shot of the neighborhood. Now we're walking up the driveway here. The driveway is a little steep, but not too bad. They have a place to park here to the right. Makes it a little easier to get in and out. We went all the way to the top. I had to back up down the drive. Here's a view up top of the neighborhood again. Mostly just trees. When this fills in the spring, you mostly see just trees from here. And here's the front door. Alright, so as soon as you enter, there's a great room here. The ceiling is vaulted, nice and high. The floors are like a painted wood, I want to say. Here's a shot of the kitchen, cabinets. Here's a fireplace, which looks like it's in good working order. View out the window. It's mostly just trees up here. It's like a big tree house. We'll take a peek outside at the end of the video. Right now I'm going to go through the kitchen. See, the countertops are tiled. It's a view out toward the back deck. I'll go out there and show you in a minute. Here's a better shot of the vaulted ceilings. A number of skylights in here. The electricity was off, so what you're seeing is the natural light kind of late in the afternoon. Alright, so here's one full bath, shower stall. And I'm going to systematically go through all the rooms starting on the left-hand side. So here's another bathroom. Now I was just going to take a peek and then head on, and then Diane made me go back. You'll see in a minute. Randall, go back. It's a big tub. You should get a better shot of that tub. Oh, okay, Diane. Alright, so here I am back in and kind of walk a little closer. I'm not sure it's a better shot of it. It's kind of round. I don't think it's jetted. I'm not sure what that is. It's like a weird shower rod. Alright, then heading down. I'm assuming this is the master, it's the biggest bedroom. Slider going out onto the deck. Vaulted ceilings, skylight. This closet is really big. Like really big. It's like a small room in there. There's Diane in the way again. Alright, heading back down the hallway. Sticking to the left. Here is another bedroom. Again, vaulted ceilings. And another pretty big, no, that's not a big closet. I open it, you'll see in a minute. It's kind of like a linen closet. View out the window. Not much to see up here. This bedroom has its own little deck in the front, so I'm going to step out and show it to you. seemed pretty solid. Nothing mushy. And there you see in the closet, it's just like a little linen closet. And heading back down the hallway. And this time on the left, I think this is another bedroom. All these bedrooms are a pretty big size. And everything is vaulted, so it looks, feels nice and spacious and airy. Again, all of this is natural light. No artificial lights are on. Alright, so then we have the stairs. Now it gets really dark down here, so Diane did a flashlight. All there is the garage. So you just come in the garage and you walk upstairs, you know, to the house. That's it. So there's not a whole lot down here. There's Diane with her flashlight. She looks like a ghost. All right. So here is the garage. It is a double. Kind of an oversized double, maybe 2 doors with a space in between. I thought this might be something, but it's just the space that's under the stairs. So it's just storage. I don't think there were utilities in there. It's kind of hard to see. And we didn't want to open the doors because the electricity is off. And here's the laundry room. So there's a sink there, wash things out, and a washer and dryer is there. So now we're going to jump back up to the left of the kitchen and go out on the deck. Again, no obvious sign of, wood that needed to be replaced on the deck itself. I didn't get underneath. You have all this bamboo up, which I guess is sort of a privacy. Maybe they're screening the sun from the bedroom. I don't know, but obviously this is seen better days. As has this path. Some of these stones were, the stepping stones were loose. A lot of riprap against the home. I guess they have drainage solutions in place. A shot of the roof. The roof looked in pretty good condition to me. It's a big boulder randomly. And here's a shot of the backyard. Not too steep, but not flat. And you could take a dog. And up here is a little flattened area they made for like a fire pit or something. You could do a fire pit up here. You can kind of see the neighbors, and that's it.